Yeah. All right. We're now recording in 3, 2, 1. Key Nation, what is going on, man? It's your boy Emmanuel Keenan. Today, you see it in the title. I know I didn't upload on Thursday, but we here on Friday. And this is how to get over 300,000 streams on Spotify. I did it, so that means you could do it too, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button, 'cause we a movement, boy. Let's get it. Key Nation, welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like button, man, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, because I'm dropping gems every single week. I was late yesterday, you know what I'm saying? I took a day off of work and I was just chilling, you feel me? I was in my New Year vibes. I was ready to go into 2022, and I said, man, I ain't gonna upload, but that was just laziness, okay? I apologize for that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this topic, man. It is how to get over 300,000 streams on Spotify and really any other streaming platform. Apple Music, Tidal, Deezer, SoundCloud, any of those, okay? This is how you get over 300,000 streams, or at least this is the method that I use in order to get over 300,000 streams, man. So if there's anything that I know how to do, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it too, because there's enough money and enough fans and enough audience out here for all of us, okay? I'm not the jealous type. I want y'all to win too. So let's go ahead and get into it. Number one, came up with 3 methods, okay? Number one, TikTok. I know y'all probably tired of hearing me saying that, because I say that every single video just about. TikTok. But it's extremely true, bro. As I said before, it is the #1 leading app, period. Okay? The #1 free top leading app with watch time, audience retention, all of that. TikTok is doing something that none of these apps aren't doing. Well, they're doing it now because they see TikTok did it, and they see there was a formula that they did, so they decided to copy that formula to their platform, i.e. IG, YouTube. What else? I can't think of, but I know YouTube Shorts is a thing now, and IG Reels is a thing now. Why? Because TikTok is popping. TikTok is popping. TikTok is popping. Say that 3 times fast. Real stuff, okay? So TikTok. Now, what do you mean? How can I get my streams up through TikTok? You implement music of yours, your own, right? Your own music into the algorithmic formula that TikTok pushes, right? So what do you mean by that, Keen? I'm gonna explain it to you right now, right? So boom, there is a certain formula or certain way musicians, artists put their videos in order to, I guess, appeal to the audience on TikTok. I'll give you an example of mine, right? I do when quiet kids hops on the track, when the depressed kid hops on the track, when the happy kid hops on the track. That is my method. That's exactly what I do, and I just implement my songs within that algorithmic formula that TikTok pushes. So that's what I do, right? Every single artist that you see on TikTok doing something successfully, copy that and just find some type of unique way to implement your music within it. As a matter of fact, so I can give you guys an example, I'm gonna show you right now. My God, yo, you good, bro?
Hey, nah, fuck her, bro.
What's wrong, bro? It's your girl?
Yes.
Word, what happened?
Hey, stop asking questions, man. Just play the shit.
Who you talking to like that? Alright, I'm gonna play it. I'm finna charge you extra. You ain't finna be talking to me like that.
I try to please your relations, but I got fucked up. You gotta be addicted to these women, they get your luck up. I'm pretty sure if I tell you this, then I'm gonna get canceled. But fuck it, cause it's the truth, and I finally found the answer. You gotta be darker honest and never show your emotion. And if you sympathize, then you do it with all your homies. You better not ever cry from the women, they won't respect you. They'll tell you to open up, when you do, then they gon' neglect you. I promise you'll be a bitch in their eyes, and I know firsthand. I played a nice guy for too long.
Boom. Okay, now, if you guys have seen my previous videos, you probably have already seen that video, but that video now has over 12 million views. And what that is it's a domino effect, right? It pretty much trickles into everything else you got going on, but you got to make sure you have everything set up, and we'll get into that a little bit later. But nevertheless, I got over 12 million views on that song, right? And with that, everybody just rushed to Spotify. everybody rushed to Apple Music, they rushed to Tidal or whatever streaming platform that they use and say, you know what, I'm finna run this up because I like this song and I relate to it. So that's exactly what you need to do when it comes down to getting your streams up. Put your song up on TikTok. Now, one of the things that I will say is do not get discouraged if your song doesn't go viral at first, because more than likely it's not, okay? You have to keep on doing it. You have to stay consistent. Keep on putting those songs out, bro. And I promise you, and or lady, okay, they, whatever pronoun that you use, keep doing it, okay? Do not stop. I promise you it's going to be a benefit to your musical success, your artist success, everything like that. So do not stop doing it, man. So now we'll go ahead and get into what you need to have set up in order for your streams to go up, okay? In the TikTok bio, right, you have, and they didn't have this before, but they just now implemented it, you can now put links in the bio so that you can tell your audience if they like a song, if they like whatever that you put, even an artist that, you know, a painter or whatever, if you just have merchandise, okay, you could tell your audience to go to the link in your bio through the comment section or in the caption that you put for your video and tell them to visit the website that you have in your bio. They'll then go to that bio and see everything that you got, right? So your merch, your Spotify, your Apple Music, your iTunes, whatever, they'll go because they're interested in the video that they saw from before, so that they can then invest their money and invest their time into listening to it and or entertaining themselves with the content that you created, okay? So make sure that you have all of that stuff set up. That's exactly what I did. I said, you know what? When I first put the song out, I put out a TikTok that got about 200,000 plays on it. And I said, okay, y'all obviously like this, so let me think of a different way in order to reach the masses, which is what I did. Recorded a music video for it and put that in the bio, in the link in my bio, as well as my Spotify, my Apple, every single thing, right? And I put that in my bio and said, yo, visit this bio if you guys want to cop the song. And that's exactly what they did after my song got 12 million views on the original video, right? So that's exactly what you need to do. Make sure that you filter your audience into every single thing that you got going on, your YouTube, your Instagram, all of that, because that is what TikTok is for. It has organic reach, so you want to make sure you maximize the amount of reach that you get with your audience so that you can then benefit from all of that, okay? So that is number one, man. TikTok, 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 TikTok. I can't say that enough, all right? TikTok, all right? So that is number one. Number two, playlist placement. Okay, there's multiple playlist placements that you can use. There's multiple playlists that you can use, or I guess I should say websites that you can utilize in order to get your song placed on playlist placement. You have Submit Hub, and then you also have Playlist Push, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put both of those websites that you can use in the description so that you guys can then go there and do it. Now, I will say that both of them require money, okay? You'll submit your song to that website, and then they'll then push that song to the playlist or the network of playlists that website is affiliated with and say, hey, do you want to put this song on your playlist? Now, the beneficial thing about playlists is that playlists have followers, okay? Followers that go to that playlist because they know that this person or this curator has good taste in music, so they follow that playlist so that they can listen to all the songs on that playlist. If you get your song on that playlist, you winning, bro, and or lady, okay? You are winning if you get your song on that playlist. So I'll go ahead and I'll put the link in the description so that you guys can visit those websites so that you can get your song on those playlists. Now, if your song sucks, you're probably not gonna get plays. You're not gonna get your song plays in too many playlists, okay? I'm gonna keep it 100,000. We keep it real on this channel. If your song sucks, you're not gonna get placed on too many playlists, man. So you want to make sure that your song is top notch, make sure that it's top quality, make sure that you bring in some type of value within your song that you're making, because if you're not, if it's doo-doo, if it's trash, if it's butt, you're not gonna get placed on too many playlists. So make sure that your song is of quality and you providing the content that people want to hear, okay? Make sure that you do that. That is very, very important. Now, when it comes down to these playlists, you have Apple and you have Spotify. Not necessarily sure what any other streaming platform is doing, but I know those are the two main ones that have playlists already ingratiated within their platform that have millions and millions of followers. So with Apple, I believe is it Wrap Up, or it's some playlist I can't think of right now, but they have a playlist where, you know, everybody knows about that playlist because it's on Apple. I know for sure with Spotify, they have their weekly playlist, right? Where you can discover new talent, you can discover new artists, and they also have, of course, Rap Caviar that everybody knows about. If you get your songs on that playlist that has millions and millions and thousands of followers, then that in turn will boost your streams up. That's how you can get over 300,000 streams, as I put in the title, right? And Spotify also has this playlist called Discover Weekly, right? Where if you submit your song, right, in these distribution platforms, i.e. DistroKid, TuneCore, whatever, if you submit your songs to those platforms and you do it soon enough, Spotify can review it and be like, hey, they can then use that song and upload it on their playlist, right? So you can use that as well. There's a playlist called Discover Weekly and new releases, right? You can use those and in turn get a lot of streams through that. So make sure you utilize these playlist placements, man. That's the new wave, okay? It used to be back in the day, people would submit their songs to like blogs and news releases and press releases and stuff like that. But we ain't worried about that no more, man. It's 2022. Happy New Year, by the way, if I didn't say that already. But it's 2022, getting ready to be 2022. Use that to your advantage, man. And the last and third final point that I want to give you guys is Instagram videos, okay? I use Instagram videos in order to drive traffic into my Spotify and into my Apple Music as well. Now, granted, I didn't use Reels at the time. I'm using Reels now because Reels is, I should probably make a separate video for that so that you guys can get on Instagram Reels too. But I use Instagram videos, and the reason why I say that was a huge benefit to my streams is because with Instagram videos, like I said before, Instagram, YouTube, they are copying exactly what TikTok is doing, right? So they are placing video content in priority over pictures, over IGTV things, over any of that stuff. They're placing Reels and video content as a priority over everything. So you guys need to utilize this. I'm telling you right now, you need to utilize this. I put the exact same thing I put on TikTok on my Instagram video and it went up, okay? Got on the Explore page. I got reposted by celebrities. You can do this too. Look, bro, look. You can do this too, man. Just do it, okay? Make your content, upload it on Instagram Reels, upload it on the Instagram videos. Like I said before, Instagram is putting a priority on this type of content. So they're putting it in front of millions and millions and millions of people, whereas a year ago, 2 years ago, that wasn't the case at all. That was not the case, but Instagram is doing it right now. So please take advantage of this and upload your music up in video format, right? In the video form, upload your music on Instagram Reels and Instagram videos so that you can then utilize and maximize the amount of reach, organic reach, might I add, so that you can then get over 300,000 streams, as I said in the title, man. There's so many ways you can do this now. I just named 3 of them, and that's actually the top 3, okay? I don't really know any other method. If y'all know any other method, then please let me know for free. All this is for free, okay? Except for the playlist placement. You gotta pay for that. But everything else I mentioned was free, man. Create content, put it out, and I guarantee you, stay consistent though, and I guarantee you will get those amount of streams, man. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got for y'all. Happy New Year. I will be uploading this today. I love y'all so much. I love the support that you guys are giving me for the channel. Everything, bro. If you guys got any questions, please comment down below and let me know. Follow me on all my stuff that I got listed below too in the description. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next year, fam. Y'all be great. It's 2022. Let's get it. Gang.